How long does it take for membrane stripping to induce labor?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about a common procedure often used to induce labor in pregnant women, membrane stripping. We'll specifically be focusing on how long it typically takes for this procedure to induce labor.
What is membrane stripping?
Before we jump into the time frame, let's understand what membrane stripping is. This procedure, also known as a sweep, is a method often used by healthcare professionals to try to start labor in women who are near their due date. It involves the midwife or doctor sweeping their fingers around the cervix during an internal examination. This action separates the membranes of the amniotic sac surrounding the baby from the cervix. The theory behind this is that such separation stimulates the release of prostaglandins. These are hormones that can help to kickstart your labor, softening the cervix and increasing the frequency and intensity of uterine contractions.
How long does it take for membrane stripping to induce labor?
Now, coming to our main question, how long does it take for membrane stripping to induce labor? While this can vary from woman to woman, studies have shown that after membrane stripping, labor often begins within 7 days, if not immediately. It's important to note that membrane stripping doesn't always lead to immediate labor. This procedure simply increases the likelihood of spontaneous labor within the next week. Therefore, if you've had your membranes stripped and haven't gone into labor within a week, your healthcare provider might discuss other methods of labor induction.
Are there any side effects or risks?
While membrane stripping is generally considered safe, it can be uncomfortable or even painful for some women. Common side effects include spotting, irregular contractions, and discomfort during the procedure. The procedure carries a small risk of accidentally breaking the woman's water or causing a small tear in the membrane surrounding the baby. If this happens, labor will usually be induced because the risk of infection increases once the water is broken. So there you have it. Membrane stripping is a common procedure used to encourage labor, and it generally takes up to 7 days to induce labor. Remember, every individual is different, so what works for one may not work for another. Always consult with your healthcare provider when making decisions about your pregnancy and labor process. Stay healthy and informed.